Hello traders, today is 21st of January, Thursday 2021. As always, I would like to share with you today's my best forex trade analysis and the trading result. If you would like to know how I trade live alongside with my professional trader, there's a video and a link of videos given somewhere in the video description. Feel free to watch. If you would like to discuss your forex challenges, or if you would like to know how to learn forex trading effectively and successfully in real-time live trading environment, I'm also offering free one-to-one consultation, and my availability calendar link is also given in the video description. Feel free to book, and I'll tell you it's a completely free, guys. All right, so let's back to today's analysis. Today we had amazing trades as always. London morning session was interesting, and New York session was a bit quiet, but we managed very positive day today. All right, so let's back to today's analysis. I want to, just before that, I would like to recap. These are the intraday analysis alongside with the 4-hour analysis with the live audio commentary support. And once the live analysis done, the recording is available for all the members in the training session, and also all this analysis broadcast in the analysis section. And then once the analysis broadcast, then myself and other professional trader will watch those analysis. If any opportunities raised based on this analysis, we broadcast that information instantly through live audio commentary. Also, we make updates in the analysis section. Right, so today I'm gonna share with you guys a pound dollar trade. I did mention you about one of the pair yesterday, and one of my traders were watching it, and he banked quite good pips on pound dollar. Okay, let me share with you that the pound dollar 4-hour chart. If you look at my yesterday analysis, and when I was doing it, I mentioned that hit price nicely, hit target, he banked beautiful pips. Now we're looking another one possibility of reversal at this level, and if the price is going to break, we make a short trade. And that's what I mentioned yesterday. And I also mentioned where to enter. I mentioned in intraday in this chart. Let me share with you that analysis. Pound dollar, you can see here, this was the beautiful analysis I mentioned after that. And I also explained traders that head and shoulder pattern is developed. So this was the beautiful, and this morning I said to you guys, now it's time to bank some profit. So he literally did beautiful pips. He made he opened a 2 positions and he banked 31 pips. Let me share with you his trade screenshot. This is his entry screenshot, and this is his exit screenshot. He banked 31 pips, and he said to me that I'm going to hold that trade as long as the price momentum is bullish. So we'll see. So you can see here he banked 633 pips in the second trade. If I show you again, you can see this is the entry screenshot, and he stayed that trade as long as the price stayed above the orange EMA, and a nicely profit target hit, and he banked 63 pips. So he made a beautiful pips on cable. He was enjoying this morning. So he took another long trade on pound yen. This was again, you can see entry. We mentioned that in analysis, if the price gonna break above the recent high, so he took as soon as the price break this yellow pip channel, and a bank first target 19 pips. Then he also banked another 35 pips on the euro yen. If I show you here, this was the entry breakout, and after that he took a long trade as soon as the price broke on the recent high, and he banked beautiful pips on 35 pips, which profit target hit. Let me share with you the recording of that euro yen. I just already done it instead of looking into it. So let me play this live analysis recording for you guys.
See today, euro yen, nice move yesterday. That was a beautiful move, guys. Beautiful. You can see, pay attention to 4-hour. Very nice. Bullish engulfing candle. Price is developing another sort of like, pattern here. So if you look at this candle, inside candle. So let's see. Let's break out, and if you look at the intraday, you can see here another pattern is developing its price. If you draw a line here, you can see here price respected, break and retest, respected here, safest way to previous high and previous low. On pound yen.
Alright guys, so as you've seen that based on that analysis, he banked 35 pips, which is we also broadcasted update of that analysis. You can see this was the analysis. So he banked beautiful 35 pips, and then he lost 11 pips on dollar CAD, and I'll explain to you. This was the basically based on the another analysis, and literally the price broken, but as soon as the price reversed, he closed that trade. As that's what we mentioned, guys, we close our trade very quickly and we let the winning run. As you can see, beautiful pips. And later on he opened based on the same analysis. When the price reversed, momentum basically refused to be bearish, and after the breakout pullback, he took another 2 trades, and he banked he recovered his 13 pips -1, and he left the other trade run, which is running it. We'll see how it goes. He's expecting a bit more pips, so we'll see how it goes. Okay, so that was the based on the analysis of this one. You can see here based on that analysis which we explained, and he took a long trade. He did bit early, and then as soon as the price reversed, he closed his trade, and then which basically we communicate to our traders because price nicely respecting the support level and develop a double bottom. That's the good sign. So he took as soon as the price break and retest, he took like 2 trades, banked beautiful pips, and let the other trade run. Okay, so let's see tomorrow. We'll give you update of this trade, how it goes. And as you can see that all his trades are 100% based on the analysis which we broadcast instantly and shared. All right, so let me share with you a couple of analysis quickly. We had a beautiful trade this morning. You can see, and this was the gold. This is a pretty straightforward breakout long trade. Dollar Swiss franc, this was again pretty straightforward breakout triangle pattern breakout short trade. Pound dollar, this was the trade again in the morning. You can see 741 just before London open. Beautiful pullback, nicely hit profit target on pound dollar. Then pound Swiss franc, we have another beautiful pullback long trade. As soon as the price developed pullback, bank 10-15 pips. We have another pullback, bank another few pips. That's what we did today. Euro pound, you can see here, this was again beautiful breakout as mentioned on the analysis. Beautiful short trade on euro pound. Euro USD, let's see, this was the pretty straightforward. As you can see, after the breakout, beautiful pullback long trade on euro USD. All right, so what's happening in the Kiwi dollar? Again, this was the pretty straightforward. You can see pullback long trade. Then we have a Aussie dollar, pretty straightforward pullback long trade based on the momentum. So you can see all that intraday analysis broadcast, and this was the another analysis which basically as he made it. This one again pretty straightforward. You can see based on the momentum, pretty straightforward symmetric triangle pattern breakout, beautiful long trade. All right guys, that's it. Otherwise there's too many analysis. I hope you enjoy all these analysis details. So if you would like to see all that analysis in real time, or if you would like to develop your trading skill in real time alongside with a professional trader, if you need any training education, we also provide full course coaching and training. Or even if you are experienced trader, I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy banking all that pips every single day. So guys, most welcome to join my fast growing trader community. And as I mentioned you before, my availability calendar link is also given somewhere in the video description. Feel free to book. And once again, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening. Wish you all the best, and I'll see you tomorrow with another analysis. All the best.